Did you know that in 2020, traders made fortunes betting against a bankrupt company whose stock somehow went up 1,000%? Here's the wild story of Hertz. When COVID hit, nobody was renting cars. The company filed for bankruptcy in May 2020. Their stock should have been worthless. But something crazy happened. Retail investors on Reddit and Robinhood kept buying Hertz shares like nothing was wrong. The stock exploded from 56 cents to $6.25 in just weeks. Smart options traders saw this madness and acted fast. They sold call options to the meme stock buyers, collecting huge premiums on a company that was literally bankrupt. At the same time, they bought puts knowing the crash was coming. And crash it did. Those put options printed money as Hertz collapsed back to pennies. The SEC even had to step in to stop Hertz from selling more shares to clueless retail investors. It was that insane. This shows how market chaos creates the best opportunities. When everyone else loses their minds, rational option strategies can generate life-changing profits.